All right, this is going to be an awesome Claude Code video for you guys that are wanting to use Claude Code, especially for SEO. So today I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code and use it for SEO. It's going to be awesome. It's really easy to set up. I'm going to show you the top 5 Claude Code SEO skills, and I'm going to give you the MD file prompts that you're going to literally just copy and paste into Claude Code. And then the 5th skill is the holy grail of SEO and ranking and traffic and content. It's going to put everything together, which is really, really awesome. And it's what these guys are using right now. It's the skill and how the tools that they're using to get this kind of growth. I mean, crazy growth as far as traffic. Almost over 16,000 organic traffic. Organic keywords over 3,000. They're getting all these AI citations, and this is going to only improve and get better. So I'm going to go through all of this, how to set it up and how to use it for SEO and replace your SEO team and literally save you thousands of hours a week. This is next level. All right, first and foremost, let's go over how to create the skills in Claude Code, how to set this up, which will be the most efficient and easiest thing for you guys to do. So the first thing that you want to do is go to Visual Studio Code. This is free, download it. Basically, this allows you to work and see all of the code and everything that Claude Code is doing and organize everything. So Claude Code is the brain. This is basically just the body. And so download this. The other thing that you want to do is save a file, a desktop file on your desktop. So save it, whatever, Claude Code, whatever you want to name it, because you're going to basically import that file into Claude Code, and that's what's going to save all your skills and all of your documentation natively on your desktop. So you're working from that and improving upon it from your desktop, which is another reason why this is so effective. So once you have this downloaded, it's going to look just like this. So then what you want to do is you want to put Claude Code on here. So if you just go down here to the little applications, you hit that, and then you can search for Claude Code inside the applications. You also want to make sure you have a subscription to Claude Code, because you're not going to be able to use this if you don't, which Claude Code I think is like 20 bucks a month. Well worth it. So there it is, hit it, and then as long as your Claude Code is installed on your computer, then you can start working from it. So there's like a little Claude Code symbol here, and you can just delete these other chats out of here from an organizational standpoint. And then you're going to be working from it just like you would it normally, but everything, again, Visual Studio Code is going to allow you to see everything that's going on behind the scenes, which is nice. And it's going to save everything to your computer. So the other thing that you want to do is at the top of your page, you can't see it here, hit File, and then hit Open Folder and select the folder that you named for this project. So each project should have its own folder for organizational purposes. So select the folder, and then Claude Code will open up that folder, and then it'll save everything in that folder and organize everything for you. So literally the prompts that I'm going to be talking about, you're just going to copy and paste into here, and it's going to ask you questions. It's going to ask for approval to do things. You're just going to let it do its thing and build out the stuff, and you can make tweaks along the way depending on your brand and what you need. So the first prompt and the first thing that you can do is a technical SEO auditor. So you can basically paste a URL and get a full technical SEO audit. So no tools or subscriptions required. So this is amazing. So what it does is it fetches the page HTML via web fetch, checks title tag length, meta description, chronological tags, H1 count, image alt text, schema markup presence, internal link count, page speed hints, robots, meta, outputs, prioritize issue list with severity, critical warning, info, and fix recommendations, and can be run in bulk via CSV or URLs if you have a bulk file. Again, this replaces tools like Screaming Frog and other resources that analyze technical SEO. So the prompt that you want to paste, and if you can't get this from this video, ask me in the comments below, and I'll see if I can send this to you or copy and paste. It really depends, but here is technical SEO. This is this one. So here, this is basically you would just copy and paste this whole technical SEO into your Claude Code Visual Studio, and it's going to build out this skill that then you can reference later on. So here it's an audit, fetch the page, audit checklist, title tag, meta, heading structure, chronological tag, all the things that I talked about. It's going to analyze, and then it's going to give you critical issues, warnings, and then passing, no actions necessary. And then here's the full audit details, priority action plan, bulk audit mode, and then usage example. So it's going to build this out for you. And once it's built out, you literally can just reference it in Claude Code. Once you in Visual Studio, as long as you're bringing up that project file, just tell it, okay, drop in the URL and tell it you wanted to do the technical SEO editor. It'll probably give you some type of tag that's just like drop in the URL and just say technical-editor or something like that, and it'll do it for you, but it'll tell you what to do there. So that's number one. That is really cool. That's going to save you a lot of time. Number two, this is super powerful. So this is keyword clustering and topic map builder. So you can drop in keywords and Claude will cluster them into topic groups and build your entire site architecture, how it should be structured for optimal SEO. So it accepts the list of keywords. It uses semantic analysis to group keywords by search intent, informational, commercial, transactional, navigational. Outputs a topic cluster map, pillar pages, supporting cluster pages, suggested URL slugs, and then it optionally exports to a spreadsheet or markdown sitemap. So again, this replaces an entire SEO agency and it aligns your entire website, because you'll have your home page, but then everything should be structured in these clusters. You're going to have your service pages clustered and then supporting pages clustered with whatever service that is, and then you're going to have your other service page. So these are going to be your content pillars, and everything's going to be linked together, and this is why this is so powerful. So this is a great way to kind of give you an idea of what you should be doing. And here is the prompt for that: SEO keyword clustering topical map. Step 1, keyword list, enrich with search intent. And this is really powerful. This is necessary to start showing up in AI overviews, necessary to start showing in ChatGPT, Perplexity, because AIs are doing a much better job than search engines of matching search results with buyer search intent. So if you're writing your stuff better for buyer search intent, you're going to get shown more. Cluster the keywords, identify pillar pages and cluster pages, and then it's going to build out the cluster map for you and give you the cluster breakdown. This is kind of how it's going to be organized: page type, primary, secondary, search intent. So this is going to be really, really awesome once it does this. And then here is kind of the rest of the prompt. So super long, detailed prompts, but this is why they're so effective and work so good, because they are very, very detailed. Number 3, this one's really cool. This is a backlink outreach email generator. So you can turn link prospecting into a 10-minute task with personalized outreach at scale. So it takes a target URL, the prospect plus your site page URL as an input, fetches the prospect's page, identifies their content focus and recent topics, generates hyper-personalized outreach email and references their specific content, includes subject line variations, follow-up sequence, and anchor text suggestions, and can batch a process list of prospects. So if you have a bunch of prospects, you can do a batch list. So this is personalized outreach is really, really powerful, and it does it all for you. So here is this prompt, SEO backlink outreach. So here is the inputs. So you got to make sure to fill out the inputs so it knows what it's looking at. And then here's the step-by-step process that's going to follow each and every time you run this skill. And then here is the research summary, and then it's going to build out the email body. Here's an example email of how it should be structured. And then here's number 2, number 3. So it's building out an entire email sequence for backlinks, which is really, really crazy. And then A/B testing, variations, anchor text suggestions, pre-send checklist, campaign tracking template, outreach tips, and all the rest of the stuff, bulk mode, guest post mode. So really, really good stuff there. So that is number 3. Number 4 is a little bit simpler. This is a social media master prompt. So basically this will create a social media skill that learns your brand voice and then makes posts for LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or wherever you want to post it. Also, I have built in, I like to use Blotato for this because it'll make the posts for you to approve. So this skill will like make you a week's worth of content or whatever you want to do. It'll make them for you, and then you can be like approve all or approve 2, 3, and 4, whatever the case may be. Then it's going to send all of your social media to Blotado, which is a scheduling app, and post it out to your social media channels. So it's a scheduler poster. I could also generate graphics. A very, very powerful tool. If I go in here to the calendar, I can see, you guys can see I use this to post all of my social media. So it has all of my social media scheduled. Here's the month of March. It's scheduled, all of this. I didn't touch any of this. This was all done by Claude Code, which is really, really powerful. Now, the last one kind of puts all this together in a way. This is going to be your rank content and social media. I put kill. Should say skill, but this is killer. This is great because this puts everything together. So what this does, here is the prompt. Again, if you type prompt below, I can share this to you. I have a link to this. But what this does is it'll identify your business. It'll look at your competition. It'll look for gaps in the market. And it'll also look for opportunities and also things that they're doing well. And then it'll provide a list of high search intent, bottom of the funnel keywords, and blog title content ideas, right? For you to look at and either approve or disapprove. This is a skill. Then it will, basically how I have this set up is it pushes these over to Arvo, which uses a brand, it uses your brand assets to create, and their AI to create amazing SEO friendly, SEO optimized blog articles. So it basically pushes them to Arvo. Arvo creates the blog articles, however many you want to have it to create. And then this does it through an API, through their API. And then basically you can link Arvo to your website and it'll automatically push the blog articles via their API to your website as a draft or to publish if you want. So that's the first part. So it does all of your content in an SEO friendly, SEO optimized way. And this is how these guys up here are ranking so well because they're doing a lot of SEO optimized blogging using Arvo, which is crazy. It's working really, really, really well for them and lots of other clients. So that's the first part of this. That's the first skill. And that's all included in this. The second part of this is it will take the RSS feed, the blog article RSS feed that you've built. It's going to analyze that feed. Then it's going to build out social media posts based on that feed. Weeks worth of social media posts. And it's already optimized for SEO because you already did the back end analyzation of gaps in the market opportunities. So it's creating these posts based on that. And then it's sending those posts to Blotado to schedule. And then it's going to post them on your social media, which is what I have it doing here. So this is the back end. This is all pulling from the RSS feed, generating this stuff, and then publishing. But if you just wanted the social media part, that's why I included that prompt. But this is the holy grail prompt, which is doing all of what I just said. So that's first part of it. Here's the blog part. So it's taking your information, doing the competitive analysis, doing a blog title keyword generation based on that. Basically then sending it to Arvo here. Here's this part, it's sending it to Arvo. And then it's pulling the social media or creating the social media from the RSS feed. And then basically if it's creating visuals, here's the rules if you want to create visuals too. And then it's basically going to publish over to Arvo. So all this, once you have this built out, Claude Code is going to ask for approval on all this stuff. So you can have it produce the draft mode. It's going to ask for approval, and then you're going to send everything over. So this prompt does everything in one shot, which is really, really nice. But here's Arvo. Here's what it looks like. You can do this manually. There's a link below to this. So here's what it's doing kind of behind the scenes is it's going in here, putting in the keyword, putting in the blog article, and then publishing the article. But just to kind of give you an opportunity to see what this looks like, because why this is so powerful, yeah, you're like, sure, you could use Claude Code to generate SEO friendly articles, sure. But it's not going to have any of the back end stuff. It's not going to be tied to your brand assets, and it's not going to have the back end SEO built in. You're going to have to build all that in, which is going to take you a lot of time. So like with Arvo, you can add in your knowledge base. So you can put your website here. So it's pulling in your website and has all those assets or any other training documents, whatever you want to do. You can structure, you can have a call to action, internally link to your sitemap. So it's going to drop those links in the articles to link all your pages together, to link to your money pages. externally linked to trusted sources. You can include your own images or it'll generate it for you. You can include your own YouTube videos or it'll generate it for you. So all this stuff provides an amazing structure for articles. So here's kind of the back end. So you can kind of see, this is like a weekly lawn service article. Here's like the front end, what it looks like, an amazing article. But if I open this up, you can see the back end, meta description, H3s, H2s, alt text, and then it has internal linkings, external linkings as well. Here's one, here's an internal link or an external link to a trusted source, graphs. So all this is done from an SEO friendly way, and this pushes automatically to your website. So you can go in here, set up an integration. So this is what you'll need to include for this API. You have to give to Claude because Claude's pushing the articles here. And then you're gonna have to set up an API integration for your website. So whether you're Wix or Shopify, you set it up here. So basically it's just Claude sending it here and then Arvo sending it directly to your website. You're not even having to come into Arvo. Same thing once you have Blotato set up, you can go into Blotato, give them the API right here. So then once Claude generates the social media content, it's going to push it and schedule it here on Blotato. Blotato is going to push it out to all your social media channels. So it becomes really, really easy, really, really fast. So again, all these are the top 5 that I'm using right now that are working really, really well. But this is replacing your social media agency, your content creation agency, your SEO agency, your basically everything. And you can improve upon this, but this is going to give you a really, really strong, really, really solid starting point to build out these skills. And you just reference them every single week. I'm building out my content once a week. So I go in there literally in less than 10 minutes. I build out all of my social media for a week, all of my blog posts for a week, and then it's done. Really, really crazy stuff. So hopefully it helps you guys out. If you want any of the prompts, type it below. There's a link also to Arvo and Blotato below, so you can try those out. But all 3 of these, Claude Code, Blotato, and Arvo, are really the only things that you need to have rapid growth with your website. It's working really, really well right now.